BBC, Business Insider, CNBC, Forbes, The Independent. They work with a lot of big brands all over. So in this video today, we'll be talking about websites that can actually pay you through Payoneer into your bank account. So a lot of people have actually reached out to me that they actually, most of the working website they have are actually requesting that they have a PayPal account. But right now, I'm telling you that there are certain websites that you can actually work, whether you are in Nigeria or you are anywhere in the world, and actually get your payments. There is nothing like my payment is stuck somewhere because I do not have a PayPal account. You can actually work on this website and actually get paid into your Payoneer and then into your bank account. Now, these websites are not Digistore kind of websites, JVZoo kind of website, or Warrior Plus kind of websites. No. These are websites where you have to work legitimately and actually get your payment into your Payoneer and then into your bank account. Yes, you'll be seeing your dollars. So a lot of you also said that there are a lot of restrictions on PayPal because PayPal does not accept Nigerians. So definitely you cannot work on those websites that are using PayPal. We'll be sharing in this video, we'll be sharing 5 websites that actually accept Payoneer as their means of payment, where you can actually work on this particular website and actually get your payment and then transfer into your local bank account. Now, these are not affiliate kind of website. It is not the website that they will tell you to bring 10 people or register 5 workers or register 10 people to work for them kind of thing. No. These are real websites that have actually been in existence for a very long time. Like, when I mean long time like 10, 15 years. And a lot of people actually know them, but they're actually scared to sign up on this website because they are not sure if they accept Payoneer as their means of payment. So if this looks like something that you actually want to watch or you actually want to see, please do subscribe to this video. Please like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and share this video to someone out there who has been complaining about PayPal, or someone out there who you think can actually work on this particular website. Now, some of this website will require you to have a skill. Yes, and some will not require you to have a skill because it definitely doesn't care about your skill set. You understand? So with that being said, guys, I'll be sharing my screen with you. I'll be sharing those websites with you, and we'll be picking them from number 1 to number 5 because there are actually 5 websites I have decided to share with you in this video. So the first website is called Teespring. Now, Teespring is a t-shirt designing website where you get paid to design on t-shirts, mug, cups, anything that you can talk about. Hoodie, cap, anything. As you can see, this is Teespring. It says create products, engage fans, make money. So this particular website is a make money website where you put your design. You can sell your designs on your social media channels. You can launch a free store. You can create physical and digital products. So it doesn't matter whether you're from Nigeria or you're from Ghana or you're from Senegal, anywhere you are, or the UK, anywhere you are, you can create designs on Teespring. And Teespring accepts almost everyone from every country. So Teespring is also free to sign up on, and it is easy to use. You don't have to pay money for any promotion or connection or something like that. This is how their website looks like, and this is what you get to see. You get access to put your designs on apparels, on accessories, or on digital products. You understand? You can go on YouTube to get more hints or review about what Teespring is all about and how you can make money on Teespring. Now, Teespring accepts Payoneer as their means of payment, actually give it a right to be part of this list. The next website is called People Per Hour. Now, People Per Hour is a freelance website where you get to, put up your skills, start making money. And their means of payment is also Payoneer. Like, Payoneer is part of their means of payment. People Per Hour, you can actually put up skills like content writing, SEO writing, website development, logo design, illustration, and drawing. Any kind of skill, you can put it up on People Per Hour, and People Per Hour gets you matched with a lot of people looking for your skills. In fact, they have 24/7 customer service team. They have money back guarantee, and these are reviews of people that have been working or using People Per Hour. And also, you do not have any issue because People Per Hour actually helps you to make money online, and their payments are legit. You can use Trustpilot to check people per hour, and these are the businesses they've actually worked with. They've worked with BBC, Business Insider, CNBC, Forbes, The Independent. They've worked with a lot of big brands all over the world. So people per hour accept Payoneer as their means of payment. Now, the third website we'll be looking at is called Rumble. Now, Rumble is similar to YouTube, but YouTube is like the second biggest website in the world. So Rumble is also a video platform where you get paid to put up videos. Now, if you're a content creator or you put out videos from time to time, you can definitely use Rumble. Rumble also pays you for the ads they put on your video. And this is how Rumble is. And Rumble accepts Payoneer as their means of payment. Rumble is spelled as RUMBLE, and because they accept Payoneer as their means of payment, that is why they are on this list. Also, you can go live on Rumble. Anything you want to put out there, you can put it on Rumble, whether you're a gaming channel, a filming channel, a content creator, and an educational creator, you can put it out on Rumble and start making money on Rumble. So Guru is also on this list. Guru is a freelance website that actually connects people looking to hire skilled workers and people with skilled individuals. Now, Guru is a top performing freelance website where you come to showcase your skill and you get matched with people looking for your skills and get paid. Now on Guru, you can sign up if you're a programming and development freelancer, if you're a writing and translators freelancer, if you're a design and arts freelancer, if you're an administrative and secretarial freelancer. It doesn't matter whether you have a skill or not. You can sign up on Guru if you have any administrative, understanding. Now, sales and marketing, engineering and architecture, business and finance, education and training, legal, any skill you have, you can come on Guru.com and sign up. Post your skills and you see people that are willing to hire you. Now, Guru.com made it to this list because they have Payoneer as one of their means of payments, which if you do not have a PayPal account, you can also sign up on Guru.com if you can create a Payoneer account. And Payoneer account is free to create for anyone, anywhere, because you can use Payoneer to actually secure your payment on Guru.com. Now, the last but not the least on our list is Legit. Legit is also a freelancing website, you understand, where you come as a freelancer and, put up your skill and you get people to hire you. The reason why Legit made it into this list is because they also accept Payoneer as one of their means of payments. So if you have a skill and you're looking for a website that can actually pay you into your Payoneer account, you can come up to legit.com and sign up. You can sign up as an SEO expert, you can sign up as a writing expert, as a graphic and design expert, you can sign up as whatever experts that you have skills on. You understand? And they have actually been, set to be good, and they pay you your money easily and faster. So you can come up on Legit and actually sign up and do what? And start making money online. Now, here is something to take home with, because I know some people who would actually reach out to me and say that they do not have a skill. You can still come up on Legit, on people per hour, on Guru.com and sign up, even if you do not have a skill. The reason is because you can put up a skill and actually employ local skillful workers to actually work for you when you get a client that is looking for your skill, or when you get a client. You understand? So whether you have a skill or not, you can sign up and, get people to do it once you get, a job. So with that being said, guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? Please hit the like button, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and also let me know if people per hour or Guru.com or Legit is a website that you would actually love to sign up on and start making money online. With that being said, I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.